Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some vegan brownies with avocados instead of butter. But before we head into the video, leave a like, comment down below what you want, subscribe, hit the bell button, get notified every time I upload. Now let's head on to the video. So to first start, you want to gather all your ingredients. So I have organic coconut palm sugar, unsweetened cacao, baking soda, maple syrup, bars of dark chocolate, spelt flour, soy milk, sea salt, and avocados. And for your tools and like your mixing stuff, whatever, you want to get a measuring cup, measuring spoons, 2 whisks, one for dry ingredients, one for wet ingredients, and you can use one of them to mix both. Also, you want to use a rubber spatula to help you fold all your ingredients in to get a really good mix. Now in a mixing bowl, I've added half a cup of avocados, a cup and 2 tablespoons of soy milk, half a cup of coconut sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. Now what you want to do is mix everything. You can use a blender, I'm going to do this by hand. You just want everything to be nicely blended together so there's not a noticeable contrast between the ingredients. Okay, so my hand got real tired, so I just popped it in the blender for about 10 seconds. You should get a smooth consistency like this where everything's blended together. And now let's move to the rest of the ingredients. Now in a different mixing bowl, I've combined a cup of spelt flour, half a cup of cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now you want to get another whisk everything together so you get an evenly distributed powder thing, you know? Now once you're done mixing all your dry ingredients, you want to mix all your wet ingredients with the dry ingredients so you get your batter. Now you want to mix everything together until you get a batter-like consistency. So after mixing everything together, you should get something that looks like this. And once you get everything like this, that's when you want to start cutting up your chocolate bars because we're too good for chocolate chips. There. Ooh, I'm a health guru now. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut up the chocolate bars because we don't like chocolate chips. You just want to cut up the chocolate so you get smaller pieces.
I don't think I'm
and then you're gonna add it to the batter. So I finished cutting out my chocolate bar, and now I'm just gonna start mixing in some chunks into the mix. And now you're done with the batter. Time to put this batter into the pan. So what I did was I greased the entire surface area of the pan and I added the batter into the pan and evened things out to the best of my abilities. And now I'm gonna pop my mixture into my oven, which was preheated at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna leave it to sit there for about 40 minutes and wait for everything to rise and poke a fork through it to see if it comes out clean. So the brownies just came out of the oven after 40 minutes and this is what they should look like. They're vegan brownies with no added sugars and they're made with avocados instead of butter. If you guys like what you saw today, make sure to leave a like, comment down below what you want, subscribe, hit that bell button down below to get notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much. Bye.